Hello, my dear ones. That was quick. You know, I was talking to Shannon. She was saying that maybe we ought to do the 12 days of Christmas. So what we'll do is do a video each day for the 12 days of Christmas. But I like to sit in one day and just go through as many of your cases as I possibly can to help you guys out. They had me on this way out, and they wanted me to do a little video to bump on this, and I don't know, but you know, this is the kind of stuff we have to put up with here. And this is this was a comment someone's on a video. Has anyone ever been kicked out of class or something like that? This was sent to us, and it said by Rob Stewart. Yeah, I know Rob Stewart, right. It says, Morse kicked me out of his course 6 years ago because I kept arguing with him and asking him questions about his inserting. I don't know, it doesn't have much on here. It was something about, he was arguing, I kept arguing with him because he asked me about questions about my methodology and I couldn't answer and all of that. And I mean, I've only kicked one person, I believe, in the, I've been doing these classes almost 20 years. And I think there was one lady a few years ago I asked to leave, but she wasn't there for the class. She was a major disruptor, and she was following some kind of weird sect or something. And she was scaring everybody around there about doomsday and all kinds of crap and stuff, and I asked her to leave. Outside of that, whoever wrote this doesn't realize is that I enjoy and love dialectics. What you don't realize is I love anybody that'll come sit with me and want to rap. If you come sit with me and you want to talk, then you have your awareness on. You don't put your dumbbell cap on and sit there and argue over ridiculous stuff that you can't prove, stuff that's ridiculous, not scientific. Because when we have a conversation, it's going to be on science. And I am not afraid to tell you my methodologies and why. They're all laid out on the YouTube. What are you even talking about, Rob Stewart, whoever you are? I find this guy to be amazing. If I kick this guy out, because none of us can remember anything like that, but if I did, he deserved it. I would never kick anybody out of my classes unless they were disruptive and affecting others' learning ability. We invite all the Q&A that you can get in our classes. If you've ever been, we got plenty of time to answer most questions. There are some people that, especially at level 1, that, like to ask a few questions. And our dear friend that likes to have 2 or more at the same time. But we do and love to answer them. So this is just the sort of thing that you see out there that comes along with people that you wonder where they come from or whether anybody's really home, And if someone is it the party that originally inhabited the body? But it's hard to say, but things like that, I don't know why they wanted me to address this because this was posted like 3 months ago and it's like, I love questions. I would love to see medical doctors come in here and ask me all they want because it's time they learn. And that's the one thing. If you know your subject matter, you'll never be afraid. And you guys, take this on for yourself too. You should never be afraid to speak the truth as much as you know it. And another thing you should never be afraid of, and I am never afraid of this, is what this guy doesn't realize. I'm never afraid to admit I don't know. You see it on the video. If I don't know what that means, I don't know what it means. I'm never afraid to admit I don't know. See, and that's what some of these people that post crap like this, they don't realize they don't know me like you guys know me. And so I try to run a pretty up straight site. You don't see any pop-ups on my site. I could drive a Mercedes instead of a pickup with pop-ups. That's ridiculous, My site isn't about money. My site is about getting you well and teaching you the truth about health. But I also am a God man. I do teach how to awaken yourself from this drama that you're in. And that's all we do. So, I don't know. I just thought I was asked to address this individual about some of the false truths that this person said. So, I don't know. I don't remember this person at all. But I'll say this. And we're looking to see if he even came to the class. Because sometimes they write stuff like this and they don't even come to the class. They just put crap out there, trolls and stuff like that, But the girls sometimes get a little upset about that. That doesn't bother me at all. The educational thing, that doesn't bother me. Everybody hits on you as much as they can. That's just the negative forces. And these people are just channels for the negative forces. Don't you be. If you don't like what we say and believe what we say, then don't be on our channel. But if you're one of the ones that are taking this and getting yourself to Wellville, enjoy the ride. We're here with you. We're not going anywhere. I haven't gone anywhere in 20 years, have I? And I've been doing this almost, 46 now. So, not going anywhere except time to get out of this this particular channel. But love you guys. And never let anybody like this bother you. People are out there, they cuss others, they tear down others, and that's how they get off, Fortunately, it's a little karmatic for them, but, and that's another thing. When you see people suffering, realize that everything is karmatically driven. And you can have your hand out and say, I can help you undo your karma. I won't undo it for you, but I'll certainly help you. And that's just what I'm doing with you guys. I'll help you undo your karma here, how you got locked in this. And I'll help you find your way back home. But I won't do it for you. No good master would do it for you. That's not how it works. You must awaken yourself. And I've given you all the little tips to do that with, too. So I love you guys, and I don't know why I've asked to do that, but we did it. And so, but if you know truth, you're never afraid to talk about it. I'm never afraid to talk about truth. If you're coming up with some kind of crap that, that holds no water, that you're talking about something that you don't even know that's true, you're just spouting something you heard, yeah, that's small talk. And I don't know. I don't sit long for small talks. I've got too much going in my world. I'm here for a mission, and there's a lot going on, and we're doing it. And so many people are getting their health back. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm telling you, it's amazing what a little secret like that can change the world, So just remember the kidneys connection and the lymphatic system and the adrenals, that neighborhood. And of course the skin and the thyroid, the third kidney there. And keep working on those things. But love you guys, and if you need anything, call. There's plenty of spiritual beings there that'll help you. And we might even stop in once in a while.